Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So we start off today's video with this first long to short transformation. She ends up getting this really chic pixie style. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the amount of volume that one had. And then we move right into the next transformation. So it looks like she ended up getting a pixie haircut here. This is a nice, simple, and chic style. Moving on to transformation number 3. So she does start off with this long, mid-length hair. Stylist cuts and shapes the hair here with some bangs in the front. And she ends up getting this gorgeous, volumized, layered haircut. Very cute. So here we have someone who has hair around shoulder length. Now this particular stylist does the most amazing haircut transformations. We saw his work at the beginning of the video. She ends up getting a nice, simple, and chic bob makeover. This one ends just around the jawline, really helping to frame out her face. Very nice. So here we have a major big chop transformation. The stylist cuts off that hair. And then we move into this bob makeover. I love her hair color. And the stylist does like a nice trendy shaggy bob cut here. Very cute. So there is the before and there is the after. Loving this makeover. Next up we have someone rocking out this red burgundy hair color. Hair comes to around shoulder length. Looks like she wants to get a bob. Hopefully she keeps that color. I think that it is gorgeous. And we're seeing so many different red variations trending. So she gets a gradual bob haircut here, and she did keep that color. So here we have someone with long waist-length hair. Looks like she went darker and got a shoulder-length bob. Wow. And then we have another transformation. So she has some very thin ends here. Oh, woo! Beautifully done. Now, I told you guys already, this is an extremely talented stylist. He is based in Brazil. And he can do the most amazing pixies, mid-length cuts, as well as bobs. He has gorgeous work. Another beautiful bob here. Then here we have someone with long mid-back length hair. Looks like the stylist is cutting in some layers. Now, if you don't want to go too short, but you do want to make some changes with your hair, a layered hairstyle is a great way to add some shape and texture to your strands. So pretty. Beautiful face framing bangs with the tousled texture. Oh, so we got another dramatic transformation here. Looks like she's getting a bob for this one. And there we have this classic shoulder length bob style with the center part down the middle. So I hope that you guys were able to find some major hair inspiration by checking out today's video. Let us know in the comments below which transformation was your favorite. If you enjoyed this one, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.